Greetings! This is Chef Candread here from Southeast Africa, Mozambique, here in San Diego. Just been cooking for the past 5 years now, and the reason why I started cooking is because I enjoy cooking, but also enjoy the idea of owning a business. Well, sometimes people ask me, why did I name the booth SABOR PIRI, or why did I name the business SABOR PIRI? SABOR in a national language of Mozambique, which is Portuguese, SABOR means flavor. And then I really like the flavors of PIRI chili peppers, so I decided to call it SABOR PIRI, which means the flavor of the PIRI chili peppers. That's how that name came about. I started this business about 3 years ago. Basically, the first year is learning what kind of paperwork you need, what kind of permits you need, and refining the recipe. When I first started, we had our menu was huge, but then we realized that some stuff wasn't selling, and the other stuff was selling better than that. So it's just a matter of a try and error and see what sells and what doesn't sell. Well, I want to tell people that at SABOR PIRI we got a variety of items, right? Because not everybody likes to eat chicken, not everybody likes to eat meat, so we are able to accommodate vegetarians, vegans, and people that like chicken. So there's, our menu really caters to everybody. So if you're looking for vegan items, chicken items, we have it here. The reason why I like the farmers markets, for one, it helps me promote my business, but not only that, I really like interacting with people from the community. I get to know a lot of people. I get to know just a lot of people that live in this community. They come out and we have conversations. I serve them food, or I learn from everybody that's at this market. So it's not only about business, but it's also about connecting with the people that are residing in this community. I ask that people come and pay me a visit, get to know me so that I can get to know you, so that I can better provide a good service to the community.